but it's the people. No? Because for one, MOC is running not to prove anything. Mark Cuango is running for, he wants to contribute change, particularly sa ating distrito. And that alone should motivate us, no? Progressive-minded people, to give him the chance to bring development, real development to the district. I think it's the people who will end up as the biggest winner if he becomes congressman in the district. Number one is leadership. Sabi ko nga, 2nd District by nature ay isang mayamang distrito. Mayaman po. Why? Meron po tayong karagatan. Meron tayong kabundukan. Meron tayong kapatagan. So, all combined, plus good leadership, grabe. No? Imagine yung what development it can bring, all of these natural resources na innate sa distrito natin. Aside from the fact na Mangatarem, Mangatarem is the third biggest rice producer. But in yet, wala tayong modernization in terms of yung agriculture dito sa Mangatarem. For the longest time, we don't have a rice processing plant. We don't have an industrial dryer. Nagpapatuyo pa rin ang ating mga magsasaka sa daan. Totoo, Mangatarem is the biggest palay producing municipality. Pero hindi natin na-process yan na yung may premium of quality. Yun ang nawawala. With Mark Cuango's vision, he did it in the 5th District. I intend and I wish and I dream of having one also under his incumbency as congressman. Number one, pre-pandemic talagang mataas. Dahil wala naman po tayo ditong job-generating industries. Purely agricultural lang tayo. Punta ka sa tourism naman, there's still a lot of room for development. Pero hindi natatap. Why? Again, sabi ko kasi kulang ng leadership. We need to, magkaroon ng aggressive tourism master plan for the district. At yun ang role na pwedeng magampanan ni Congressman Mark. Number one, we're facing a very unique situation now. Hindi naman natin pwedeng masabing post-pandemic. Kasi kahit papano, we're still in the pandemic stage. So, mas malaki ang challenge pre-pandemic sa ngayon. Kasi number one, na-constraints tayo sa mga health protocols, di ba? So, nadyan pa rin yung mga, we have to abide with the health protocols. But just the same, life must continue. So, yun ang challenge. How to bring in projects that will at least iangat yung mababa ng antas ng ating mga kababayan. Kasi karamihan, as in across, mayaman, mahirap, dumapa because of this pandemic. So ang challenge ng gobyerno ngayon, ang challenge sa lahat ng mga tumatakbong leaders ngayon is how to lift up. Kung paano ibangon yung mga tao. Number one, sabi nga natin, ano ang drive ng Agila? Job generations. Jobs, jobs, and jobs.
Team Agila!
Sabi ko nga parang itinadhana yung pagdating ni Congressman Mark sa distrito na tutugon sa ganyang mga panawagan ng panahon.